with Nilesh Jain of Centrum Broking.
Thanks a lot, Hiral, for that. Good afternoon, Nilesh. It's always a pleasure to have you with us at NDTV Profit. We'll start the rapid fire round and look at Nozzle. The stock is doing really well. It's almost near its circuit levels. Good time to, take a little bit of profit off the books because chemical names are quite volatile. Or do you think there is a much more, long rally pending for this counter?
Very good afternoon, Sharad and Hiral. Well, see, it has already hit a upper circuit today. So I will suggest, if somebody is already holding the long position, can stay put, keeping a trailing stop loss now at 183. And I think the stock has a potential to move towards 200 plus in the near term. So stay put is the advice if somebody is already holding the long position.
Right. But today is a basket buying happening across the Kirloskar Group stocks. We had mentioned it earlier also today. And I just wanted to ask, Nilesh, the Kirloskar brothers, Kirloskar oil engines, and we are having a lot of Kirloskar group related stocks, a good basket buying. Seems like after a consolidation, there might be further up move in the entire group. How do you see these group stocks? And out of this, anything which has a better risk reward ratio right now?
Well, absolutely, Sharad. We have already seen a kind of upper circuit in Kirloskar engineering. So there is no point taking any fresh long bets at current level. So it's an avoid. Kirloskar brothers could be a good bet at current level. We have already seen a 10-11% uptick, but it's a kind of a buy and decline structure. If you get any dip towards 2000, 2050, that can be used as a buying opportunity. The stock has the potential to move towards 2300 to 2400 in the near term. So stop loss should be at 2000.
Right, and of course important government status also coming in for GRSE, Garden Reach Builders, as well as Chennai Petrol. Let's get both of these stocks up, both good momentum, 2 to 3% up. Technically, which should be a bet out of these two, Nilesh?
See, GRSE, we continue to remain bullish. We also recommended to our client as well. So overall, GRSE, we are expecting a move towards 3000 plus in the near term. So that's a buy call. Can be added at current level, keeping a stop loss below 27.80. And Chennai Petro, yes, this particular counter is also looking positive, and we can expect a gradual uptick towards 1150 to 1180 in the near term. So risk and reward is looking favorable in Chennai Petro at present. So keep a stop loss at 1090 and go long in Chennai Petro.
Under NHPC, of course, it was there in a consolidation. The stock is very stable stock, to be honest. But today, of course, a good up move coming on a packed announcement coming in. Is there a trade to be made here, or you'll avoid this counter?
Well, Sharad, it's an avoid. Reason being there are multiple resistances. So 80 is an immediate hurdle followed by 83, 85. So I'll suggest to avoid this particular counter till we see that breakout coming in.
Right. Another counter, interesting one, Good Luck Defense. Good Luck. They are getting a lot of orders in the defense space, the Good Luck India. What are the charts suggesting?
A very strong setup. In fact, a fresh breakout with a good volume attraction today. This counter is key to a fresh record highs as well. So yes, still looks strong for 1550 to 1600 on the upside. So one can keep a stop loss below 1425 and can be added on declines.
Right, and order wins also coming in from Texmaco Rail, another stock, in this entire theme. Railway stocks, there is a good volume also, momentum happening. Is there any important levels to track for this counter, Nilesh?
Well, yes, a pullback trade can be seen in Texmaco Rail, maybe towards 120 to 120 is the 200-day long-term moving average resistance. So from current level, we can expect another 5 to 6% kind of uptick. So one can keep a stop loss below 110, and yes, can be added on declines.
Right, another stock, agri-related stocks, we have Lakshmi Organic as well as Kaveri Seed also. Interesting names. Generally, volumes are not so much in these counters, but today they are seeing a good momentum. Both stocks up 7 to 8%. Do you think any alpha can be made here, either of them?
The Lakshmi Chemical, this particular counter is on the verge of a breakout. So if it breaks 170, then it will be considered as a consolidation breakout. Then probably we can expect a move towards 185 to 190. So Lakshmi Chemical could be one particular counter where we can expect a follow-up move to continue on the upside. So keep a stop loss below 157, and yes, watch out for this particular counter.
Right, all right. That's the end of the rapid fire round. And now over to Hiral. She's tracking the Google trending stocks. Hiral, what's there on your list?
Last couple of days we had a lot of Vedanta group of companies that were trending, and that was mainly on the back of the demerger that happened and post which the listing happened. But now we have a Jio Financial Services, Reliance Industries, interesting names coming in there after the AGM, and you have the Jio IPO details that were given out and filed as well. Tata Capital and Nestle are also good names to look at. If you have to look at Nestle and Tata Capital, I beg your pardon, Nilesh, anything that you like on the charts, because both of them, the trend is downwards today?
No doubt today we are witnessing some bit of profit taking, but if you see the broader structure for Tata Capital, which has already turned positive last week, where we have seen a fresh breakout. So I think this profit taking is giving you a good opportunity to initiate a long position. So if you get any dip towards 350, that's a good entry point. Keeping a stop loss below 342, once again we can expect a further rebound going forward towards 372 to 380. So Tata Capital could be one particular counter where a contra bet can be taken.
Right, so contra bet coming in from Tata Capital. Thanks a lot, Nilesh, for that, giving your important views on the technicals portion. But one stock is there which is in focus.